everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the internet browser on your Tesla vehicle. So if you go on down to three little dots right here and select this, you can go to the internet browser and open it up right there. Now you can drag this to your My Apps down here if you want to use it often, but as of right now you can only use it when you're parked, or like if you have premium connectivity you can use it away from your house. But I have Wi-Fi right here. So if you connect to Wi-Fi at your house, and I'm just simply in my garage right now, but with premium connectivity you can be in a parking lot, or a lot of times I'll just use a hotspot on my phone and I'll connect to my vehicle with the Wi-Fi options, and then I can use the internet browser on here. But let's just go to the internet browser right here. There's not many apps to choose from, so it should be easy to find. And then we can make it bigger by going to that little option right here in the top screen. So we can just press this, make it bigger, smaller. And this is just Facebook, and you can go to your favorites right here. It's a very basic web browser. So one of my favorite websites is n4g.com. So let's just go to n4g.com, and then we can just test this out and see if it's got decent ad blockers on here. Seems like it's blocking the ads fine. So once you go to your favorite website, we can go to the star right here, and we can go to add to favorites. Another good one would probably just be like Weather Channel or something like that, weather.com. So we can get the weather. If we don't have premium connectivity, we're not able to use navigation to see our weather. So we can just go to allow the location, allow this time, allow while visiting this website. Okay, so having the weather up here might be nice. And then you can just go to the favorites. Now to find your favorites, all you have to do is go to this little box right here, and then here's my favorites. So you can go back to the other websites real quick. Now if you're trying to go to like youtube.com or something like that, you can go to YouTube, but it's going to open up the YouTube application that's on your device. You just have to swipe down to exit. But if you go to the theater, you already have Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Twitch, etc. You just have to go to the theater option right here. So you can decide if you want that, but let's go back to the browser. And you can exit out of this by swiping down just like that too. And then we can make full screen. So yeah, it's very easy to use. If you're driving, it's probably going to be annoying because you can't use it quite yet. Maybe in a couple of years when you got full self-driving fully enabled. But go ahead and just look at the internet browser and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.